Heute ist ein ganz besonderer Tag für Opel. Opel wird elektrisch. Denn ab heute sind der Corsa-e und der Grandland Hybrid bestellbar. Und das ist erst der erste Schritt. Wir werden unser gesamtes Portfolio bis zum Jahre 2024 elektrifizieren. Der Corsa-e verbindet emissionsfreies Fahren mit einer ganzen Menge Fahrspaß. Er hat eine Reichweite von 330 Kilometer und ist richtig schnell unterwegs. Von 0 auf 100 in 8,1 Sekunden. Er kommt mit einem guten Einstiegspreis. 29.900 €. Und damit kommen wir einmal mehr dem Opel-Markenversprechen nach, Innovationen zu demokratisieren, sie zugänglich zu machen für viele. Opel ist wieder in der Erfolgsspur. Der Opel Blitz strahlt und ab heute strahlt er auch elektrisch. Opel goes electric. I will tell you how Opel intends to enter and shape the era of mass electric mobility.
This car is a no excuses vehicle that's very exciting yet very approachable. So I have the great privilege today to introduce to you the all-new Corsa, the 6th generation Corsa. What makes this vehicle even more iconic and even more important for Opel is that this vehicle also is electric. Let me talk to you about some of the design details that we've worked very hard on to achieve all of the great values of the Opel brand. So first of all, coming to the front of the car, like all new Opels, we have this clear, crisp centerline crease and this very landscape orientation of the design. So the grille is very horizontal and that flows into the typical wing signature lights that we have on all of our vehicles. This particular vehicle shows a very slim, high-tech headlamp and again, makes the car look very sporty and dynamic, which is very important for all Opel vehicles. So as you can see, when the car turns around here, one of the most important elements is this vehicle looks a lot bigger than today's car. It looks lower, it looks wider, it looks longer. In fact, the overall footprint of this car is the same as today's car. So it's all about the optics of the car, creating this very sporty, dynamic character. And that's accentuated on this vehicle with this floating roof. So you really squeeze the graphics of the car, making it look very sleek and modern, almost like a 3-door car, even though it's a very practical 5-door car. And one of the other areas that we've really developed on this vehicle are these beautiful, strong, flowing sculptural shapes that hark back to some of the historical elements of Corsa. The flared wheel arches, giving it this very muscular character and again enhancing the sporty dynamic character of the vehicle overall. So one thing that's very important for us is to show that our electric car is a dynamic, fun car. And part of that is showing it in this very confident orange color, something that we really think conveys everything about what this electric Corsa is. So at the rear of the car, we continue these same great proportional benefits, which is having a very wide look to the car, very muscular shoulders, again, really emphasizing this great driving dynamic quality that the car has. And again, it has all the usual signature cues of Opel with the wing signature lights, these very slim looking tail lamps, and as I said, a very clean, bold, and pure surface execution.